Hey, it's your favorite roofer Todd with Sunbelt Roofs here in sunny, beautiful Picayune, Mississippi. Checking out this roof for this nice lady raising her grandkids. Had some other roofers taking advantage of her, kind of doing some shoddy workmanship. Doesn't really trust too many people. So we're really examining everything that's wrong with this roof to come up with a way to help her fix this once and for all, give her a long-term solution. You can see some tarps up here that have fallen apart, aged, weird things like a plumbing vent boot that's taped off on the top, another old lead plumbing pipe boot that perhaps was abandoned and they just bent it over. Just all kinds of red flags, probably some wind damage here as well. When you see broken tab shingles, mixed shingles, some new, some old, all kinds of issues going on here. So it's understandable her mistrust of people, but we'll get her straight and prove to her that we do good work and get her set up well for the long term. Until next time, your favorite roofer in Picayune, Mississippi.